Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to share your profile link on the Instagram app when using it on your PC. With the latest update, the process has become smoother and easier, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it's open, you'll see your home screen just like you would on a phone, but adapted for desktop use. Next, look to the left-hand side corner of your screen. You'll find your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it to open your profile page. This will take you directly to your Instagram profile, showing your posts, bio, and everything else you've shared. At the top of your profile page, you'll notice three small dots lined up horizontally. Click on those three dots. This is the menu where you'll find several options related to your account. From the options that appear, choose the one that says Copy URL. Once you click this option, Instagram will automatically copy your profile link to your clipboard. Now your link is ready and waiting to be shared. The final step is simple. Go to any place where you'd like to share your link. Paste it in a message to a friend, drop it in a group chat, post it on another platform, or even add it to your email signature. Wherever you choose to share it, anyone who clicks on that link will be taken directly to your Instagram profile. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can copy your profile link and share it anywhere you want from the Instagram app on your PC. It's a quick and straightforward way to let others easily find and connect with you. Remember, this method comes directly from the new update, so now you'll always know exactly where to find your profile link whenever you need it.